Good morning 12th class students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5 of unit 1st, capacitor. Before discussing capacitor, we discuss the few terms like conductors, insulators and dielectrics. Now what are conductors? You have read in your lower classes. Conductors are those materials which conduct electricity, means electricity can easily pass through them, and insulators which do not conduct electricity, right? Means electricity does not pass through them. Example of conductors, all metals, insulators, wood. Clear? Then dielectric, this is a new term for you, dielectric. Basically बच्चे dielectric comes in type of insulators. We can say that it is a insulator, dielectric, it is a insulator. Clear? But when we apply electric field on them, then the induced charges develop on the surface के ऊपर की हो जाते हैं, charges develop हो जाते हैं, ठीक है, when we apply the electric field. Basically they are insulators, ठीक है. So that insulators which develop the charges on their surface when electric field is applied, these are called dielectrics. Clear? Now next we have behavior of a conductor in electrostatic field. Conductor का behavior electrostatic field. So first of all, when we place a conductor inside a electric field, positive to negative होती है ना direction electric field दी, right? So when we place a conductor here, due to this positive plate, negative attract towards this side and positive on the second face. So inside when conductor is placed inside an electric field, then electric field inside the conductor is 0. Electric field inside the conductor is 0. How it is possible? It is due to as like here is a positive charge, negative charge means positive to negative. Direction of electric field is like this because this is a conductor. So electric field lines की करनी है cross. Clear? But inside the conductor, the direction of electric field is in this direction, means right to left. So inside the conductor, this effect cancel out. ठीक है, cancel हो जाएगा effect. So inside the conductor, electric field is 0, right? At the surface of conductor, the electric field is perpendicular to its surface. Means जो electric lines field always it is perpendicular to the surface. Enter कर रही हैं, leave कर रही हैं, किस एंगल पे करने की हमेशा perpendicular. Clear? Then when a conductor is charged, the acquired charge resides only on the surface of the conductor. कि जो चार्ज है हमेशा सरफेस के ऊपर ही रहता है, ठीक है. The entire body of the conductor including its surface at constant potential, right? Means this conductor is at constant potential. हर पॉइंट पे potential की होएगा same, constant, right? The electric field at the surface of the charged conductor is this value. We can also derive it. How we can derive this expression? हाँ जी बच्चे, as we know d phi it is equals to, according to the theorem, when we have EDS according to the definition and according to the Gauss theorem, d phi is equals to dq by epsilon naught, means 1 by epsilon naught times the charge enclosed. When we equate both, we have E ds equals to dq by epsilon naught. Clear? Now as dq is the charge, if we consider surface charge density sigma, sigma किधर equal होती है बच्चे? Sigma we have defined in the first chapter. Sigma is equals to q by a, means dq by ds, area. Clear? So from here dq की value की आ जाएगी sigma ds. Value of dq comes out to be sigma ds. Then we put this value of dq in this equation. What we have? E ds equals to sigma ds over epsilon naught. Sigma and sigma cancel, ds cancel. So E comes out to be sigma by epsilon naught. Clear? If you want to write it in vector form, then it can be written as E vector sigma by epsilon naught n cap. If we place this in a medium, instead of epsilon naught we use here epsilon, means sigma by epsilon, and as we know that epsilon is equals to epsilon naught into k. This relation we also have done in the first chapter. Clear? So this is the electric field when medium is introduced of dielectric constant K. Clear? Then the next one is polar and non-polar dielectrics. So you have read polar and non-polar in your chemistry subject. So what are non-polar dielectrics? A dielectric in the atoms or molecules of which the centers of gravity of positive and negative charges coincide. पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव चार्ज मतलब इक्वल अमाउंट में होंगे सारी तरफ, ठीक है, कोई सेपरेशन नहीं आएगी, कोई चार्जेस डेवलप नहीं होंगे, सिमिट्री होएगी हर चीज़ में, पॉजिटिव के अराउंड जो नेगेटिव चार्ज हैं सिमिट्री होएगी उनकी, ठीक है. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड नॉन पोलर डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स, ठीक है. बट आर पोलर डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स इन विच द सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी ऑफ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव चार्जेस डू नॉट कोइंसाइड मतलब सिमिट्री नहीं होएगी. देखो पॉजिटिव एक साइड है, नेगेटिव मतलब एक तरफ पॉजिटिव साइन आ जाएगा, एक तरफ नेगेटिव आ जाएगा. जैसे HCl हो गया, H पॉजिटिव Cl नेगेटिव, H2 हो गया, H पॉजिटिव OH नेगेटिव, लाइक दिस. क्लियर? सो दीज आर नॉन पोलर डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव नॉन पोलर एटम प्लेस्ड इन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कॉल्ड पोलराइजेशन. Means when we place the non-polar atoms in an electric field, then the stretching of dielectric atom due to the displacement of charges in the atom under the action of applied electric field, it is called polarization. Means when we place it in a electric field, there is a displacement of charges. One side we have negative, on the other we have positive. So means दिस इज़ कॉल्ड पोलराइजेशन, के चार्ज डिवेल्प हो गया, पोलराइज करता अलग अलग. क्लियर? देन पोलराइजेशन ऑफ अ डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब. पोलराइजेशन ऑफ अ डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब मीन्स फर्स्ट वी कंसिडर पॉजिटिव प्लेट, नेगेटिव प्लेट हैविंग डेंसिटी सिग्मा प्लस डेंसिटी माइनस सिग्मा एंड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव ऑलवेज, ठीक है. देन वी प्लेस्ड अ स्लैब, dielectric slab. When we place a dielectric slab, basically it is an insulator, right? But when we placed in electric field, charge is develop on the surface. Surface ऊपर की हो जाएगा, charge develop हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So on the positive side जो face है plate था, here we develop with negative sign, and on the negative sign it is a positive. Clear? So means inside the dielectric slab there is also a electric field due to polarization, ठीक है. So electric field due to polarization, right? Clear है बच्चे? So the direction of electric field due to polarization की होगी opposite, vacuum positive to negative this direction, and inside the dielectric slab it is right to left. Clear? along the opposite direction. So resultant electric field किसके इक्वल होएगा? E नॉट माइनस EP. E नॉट जो अप्लाइड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है वैक्यूम, ठीक है. EP जो पोलराइज होया व्हेन वी प्लेस अ डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब इन अ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड दैट वी हैव अप्लाइड, ठीक है. सो दिस वैल्यू ऑफ E, दिस इज कॉल्ड रिड्यूस्ड वैल्यू ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. This is called reduced value of electric field. Then we have few definitions like dielectric constant. We also discussed it in the first chapter. But this dielectric constant define the dielectric constant in terms of electric field. So it is defined as the ratio of strength of applied electric field to the strength of a reduced value of electric field. Clear? E naught, it is the applied value electric field, and this is the reduced value. So this ratio, it is called dielectric constant in terms of electric field. आल्सो नोन एज रिलेटिव परमिटिविटी और स्पैसिफिक इंडक्टिव कैपेसिटी। इंडक्टिव कैपेसिटी मीनस क्योंकि चार्ज इंड्यूस किया बच्चे, ठीक है, सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड स्पैसिफिक इंडक्टिव कैपेसिटी। क्लियर, एंड इट्स वैल्यू इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन 1। क्लियर, then polarization density, density we define as mass by volume. So polarization density, it is defined as the induced dipole moment developed per unit volume. Induced dipole moment developed per unit volume. Now what is the dipole moment? Polarization density is represented by P, capital P. Dipole moment is Q into 2A. Define कितना ना Q into 2A. So here we use QI into D instead of 2A. We use the distance between the two charges as D over volume. Volume, if we consider the area of a plate as A, D is third part, length, breadth, height, AD. So D and D cancel out. So polarization density, it should be equals to QI into A. Clear? Now as Q by A, it is surface charge density. So this is polarization surface charge density, क्योंकि polarized charge है, I induce कितना है, I मतलब induced charge, ठीक है। So P is basically equals to sigma P. Clear? So therefore on placing dielectric between the two plates of a capacitor, the reduced value of the electric field may be expressed as this value. सिग्मा E नॉट वैक्यूम ਲਈ माइनस EP ਸੀ ਨਾ, ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ पोलराइजेशन बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट, सेपरेट कर लिया। दिस इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ E नॉट, सिग्मा P इक्वल्स टू P बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट। क्लियर? देन नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन इज इलेक्ट्रिकल ससेप्टिबिलिटी। द पोलराइजेशन डेंसिटी मतलब P, इट इज़ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू रिड्यूस वैल्यू ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, मीन्स P इज़ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू E. To remove the proportionality, we have a constant and that constant is called xi, epsilon not with, ठीक है, xi it is called electrical susceptibility. Clear बच्चे? You can also put the value of P in this equation, right? Then as this is E is equals to E naught minus XE, it can be written as E plus xi, E is equals to E naught. E is common, so 1 plus xi. E naught by E, 1 plus xi. E naught by E, it is dielectric constant, means K is equal to 1 plus xi. Clear? Then next is definition of dielectric strength. So dielectric strength of a dielectric is defined as the maximum value of electric field that can be applied to a dielectric without its electric breakdown. मीनस कि कितना इलैक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो है आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं कि डाइलैक्ट्रिक जोड़ा है वो ब्रेक ना होवे तो चार्ज डिवेलप हो जाए फेसिस के ऊपर, ठीक है। दिस इज़ कॉल्ड डाइलैक्ट्रिक स्ट्रेंथ एंड इट्स यूनिट इज़ द सेम एज दैट ऑफ द इलैक्ट्रिक फील्ड, मीन्स वोल्ट पर मीटर। क्लियर? इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट इन दिस टॉपिक देन यू कैन आस्क मी। थैंक यू बच्चे।